all the people who not listening here to my song. It's brought to you by San Miguel Bell at wala nang iba pa. Here we go.
Sitting here wasted and lonely at these old pianos, trying hard to capture the moment. This morning I don't know, 'cause a bottle of vodka still out of my head, and some blonde gave me nightmares. I think she's still in my bed. I dream about movies, they won't think of me when I'm dead. When I'm tired, glad please wake up and please kiss the morning. While some marching band keeps its own beat in my head while we're talking about all of the things that I long to believe about love, and I try what you want me to mean. The truth is, baby, you're all that I need. I wanna lay you down on the bed of roses for the night. I'll sleep on a bed of nails. Oh, I wanna be just as close as the Holy Ghost and lay you down on the bed of roses. Well, I'm so far away. Each step that I take is on my own. Hacking around and dimes, the giving us night, just the treat is faithful. Still I run, time more and time is true. Till the beat on the wire lies me back to you. I just close my eyes and whisper, baby, my love is true. I wanna lay you down on a bed of roses for the night. I sleep for a bed of nails. Oh, I wanna be just as close as the Holy Ghost and lay you down on the bed of roses. Well, hold heaven's cover, whiskey's getting dry. The bookkeeper's big crook, she's giving me the eyes. Amazing, yeah. But I laugh so hard I think I die. Oh yeah! Pare kayo nagkano rin? Laki. When you close your eyes, know I'll be thinking about you. Why my mistress, she calls me to stand in their spotlight again. Tonight I won't be alone, but you know that don't mean I'm lonely. I've got nothing to prove, who is you that I died to defeat. I wanna lay you down on a bed of roses for tonight. I'll sleep on a bed of nails. Oh, I want to be just as close as the Holy Ghost and let I wanna be just as close as the Holy Ghost is. Lay you down.
Wanna
Wanna be
of roses.